Government's transformation restructure is progressing ahead with the planned disestablishment of the Community Affairs Department. The proposal is to merge the three sectors within the department to the respective areas of which it makes up. Health, Taonga Niue and Treasury are most likely to take on the makeup of Community Affairs. It is yet to confirm when exactly the process will take place for the disestablishment. We'll bring you more on this story in our future news bulletins. Niue's PAC project has taken another step forward with the construction of water tanks starting today. The project, funded by the Global Environment Facility, European Union and USAID, will see the installation of about 400 water tanks with cement base included, distributed to households around the island. New Zealand-based company Callaway's have started with the three-phase moulding process that will enable the production of 8 water tanks a day. Project coordinators say that they are still trialling out the system until tomorrow, and by the weekend the production facility will be fully operational. Education and awareness campaigns have been held throughout the year, and village community consultations have been completed in Alofi South, Makefu, Lakepa, Hakupu, Waia, Awasele and Tamakotonga. The consultations serve as a way to further explain the process to ensure households are ready to have tanks installed. The installation and distribution of tanks will begin following the opening of the building on the 12th of December 2013. Household assessments are also in the pipeline before the construction of tank bases can begin. Homeowners have been reminded that the spoutings and any other preparation work for the installation of the tanks will be at their own cost. In the meantime, tanks will be stockpiled until homes are ready to have them installed. The project is expected to end or complete in December 2014. An Asian Development Bank study has detailed that climate change will have a dramatic effect on the Pacific region, affecting agriculture, fisheries, tourism, human health and economic returns. The projections are that coral reefs cover will experience a 55% decline by 2050. In the agriculture sector, over 50% yield loss for sweet potato crops, a 7 to 21% yield loss for sugarcane. Health impacts will see foregone income and illness treatment due to an increase in respiratory diseases, vector-borne diseases, and death and injury from tropical storms. Tourism, as a major revenue driver, could see the region become a lesser tourist attraction as the world warms up, and an estimated 27 to 34% reduction in revenue. Island economies will be at a risk as gross domestic production is lost. The study makes these predictions for the Pacific region, and given the economic implications, governments will need to think seriously about the issue of climate change impacts and factor in plans and national budgets to counteract the potential negative effects. In our news bulletin for tonight, Taonga Niue is taking a collaborative approach to prepare and host a number of campaigns in the new year. This week, discussions between representatives from Taonga Niue, the Pohomana Takaihui Collective, Health Department and 350 Niue agreed to collaborate on one of the activities that will kick-start in the beginning of the year. The Pohomana Takaihui, the Healing Walk, will be held on the 6th of January 2014, but the drive now is to generate interest and get people prepared for the challenge ahead. The event takes on a great significance on a number of levels as 2014 marks 40 years of self-government, 100 years since World War I, and the 10-year anniversary since Cyclone Heta. In addition, the walk will also promote healthy lifestyles and climate change solutions. Event organizer Robin Hicko says that this will be a collective effort to bring the community together and is open. Participants will have an option of either walking around the island or to take the Tafisi Trail of only half of the island. Those who are interested can have a chance to walk in groups or to support or promote a cause of their choice, but the more people there are, the better. Registrations to participate are now open, and organisers say that there will also be a preparatory workshop prior to the event. Taonga Niue has also opened up public submissions for an ideal promotional theme for 2014. And that's the news bulletin for tonight, but also, regrettably, it is my last news bulletin for TV Niue. I would like to thank everyone around the island who has continued to tune in to BCN News, and I hope that you have enjoyed some of the coverage I have been able to bring out to you. I also take this time and opportunity to wish you all a very Merry Christmas and a prosperous New Year. Good evening.